With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The difference between maximum magnification and minimum magnification of a simple microscope is the minimum value of magnifying power of a simple microscope is m minimum is equal to d by f, where d is minimum distance of distinct vision and f is the focal length, and the maximum value of magnifying power of a simple microscope m maximum is equal to 1 plus d by f, and we have to find the difference between maximum magnification and minimum magnification. Taking capital M is equal to maximum magnification minus minimum magnification, which is equal to 1 plus d by f minus d by f. d by f minus d by f is 0. So, difference between maximum magnification and minimum magnification is 1. This is the answer. And the correct option is option A.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.